Now, in terms of what's more natural, if the cat himself or herself is allowed to hunt mice or lizards or little critters, that would be more in alignment with what's natural compared to a human hunting on behalf of the cat. I mean, after all, cats still, although they do have a lot of domestication over the last 10,000 years, as do dogs, they still have some wildness to them in many cases, and it depends on the individual cat, but some cats do go outside and do some hunting. It would really depend on an individual basis. If the person wants to raise their cat as a vegan and can manage to get the cat to eat the food, it's just being habituated. I mean, if we have kept them indoors and taken them to the vet and had them spayed and neutered and gotten them other treatments at the veterinary office, those all would not be available to a wild cat. And yet we recognize that those actions do have preventive health benefits. Spaying, of course, reduces the risk for mammary cancer in female cats. Neutering prevents or reduces the risk for fights that can occur between intact male tomcats who otherwise will have fights with each other, and they will get infections and abscesses and everything else. So they can also get hit by the car, of course, if they are in search for a mate. And the fact that they are less prone to those dangerous activities if they're spayed and neutered means that their lifespan will be extended because of it. So I think it's worth acknowledging that we do intervene in these animals' lives in ways that nature would not have available to them that extends their life. And so if this argument boils down to a question of whether or not something is natural, then it's only fair to recognize that there are other things we do with our animal companions, such as neuter and spay them, that are not natural.